Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix personal hotspot not working. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. As you can see guys, personal hotspot is not working for me. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to close this page from here, and after that you have to open settings and just simply turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 second and then turn it off. Once you have done this guys, check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And once it is there guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it on, tap on general. Make sure that you have updated your device to the latest version, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, open settings from here guys, you have to scroll it down, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on general again, then make sure that your date and time is correct. Once you have done this guys, after that you have to remove your sim. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to clean your sim, and then you have to reinsert it and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, open settings again, scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer reset iPhone. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply tap on reset. From here guys, you have to reset your all settings. Let me tell you that once you have reset your all settings, I'll guarantee your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.